Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To change your crosshair on ps5, you typically need to adjust settings within individual games, as the ps5 system itself doesn't provide a universal crosshair customization feature. For example, in shooters like Call of Duty or Fortnite, navigate to the game's settings menu, often under Controls or Gameplay, and look for Crosshair Appearance or a similarly named option. Not all games offer this, so it's crucial to check within each game's settings for specific customization options. Remember, adjustments vary by game, so explore each game's options for the best experience.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.